Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.